You ready? You won't do it now, will you? Grab it. I can't do it like your mama did.
Whoa, there's one.
She got a hold of it too good that time.
Kids, you're funny.
You're a funny girl. Tickle. You tried to eat it.
Can't tell if this is mean or just, you know, a funny
Right.
thing kids do.
Yeah, she doesn't seem to
Grab
be
it,
too worse
Kaden.
to wear for it.
Oh,
She doesn't seem to be too worse to wear. Oh, I see an eyeball. But if she doesn't grab it,
grabbed it too good, Cadence.
you're not doing it quite as robustly as you were
Let's see.
before.
Oh, come
I'm
on.
not gonna perform you anymore.
You know when the camera's on you, huh?
Yeah, kids seem to pick up on that. And either won't perform or perform like crazy. That's kind of a crazy reaction. And you have to be on her face. No, it doesn't really, does it?
She just has to
It's
have a
just-
hold of
just
it.
her arm.